Hello guys, my name is Tumel, and welcome to this video. And in this video I'm just gonna be talking some of the stuff. I don't know. So in case you're new to this channel, you can please subscribe, and if you're already a subscriber, welcome back and thank you. I'm gonna thank you once you subscribe. Those who didn't, well, thank you in advance. So as you can see over here, I've opened this IDE called Dev C++. So basically you can use any other IDE you like. It doesn't matter which one. So the language is gonna stay the same. It's C++. So the version which you're gonna be using throughout the tutorials is C++ 11. Or basically most of the libraries which will be using are gonna be found in C++ 11. So I know there are latest versions like C++ 17, but don't worry about those. So I'm just going to show you something here on Dev C++. So I favor Dev C++ because it's easy and it's also lightweight. You can use it in almost any laptop of any RAM or any CPU you have. So I'm just going to show you some settings over here which are going to help us use C++ 11 on this IDE, because this IDE, I think it has a compiler made for C++ 98, which is the older version of C++. So you're just gonna have to configure it so that it works very well with C++ 11. So in case you'll be using a Dev C++, this is what you're gonna have to do. Then you're gonna have to come to tools and then compiler options. So remember, C++ is a compiled language, then come to programs. Then you have to add this -std equals C++ 11 in front of this GCC and G++. Then once you're done, you're gonna have to click OK. Then you are set. And when you're going to reopen this IDE again, you're gonna see this error message, but you're gonna have to click OK. Then you're gonna get through that. So that's basically it. And another thing I need to show you is how to create a project in Dev C++. You basically gonna come over here where it says file and then new project, because in Dev C++ you need a project in order to run your source code. So you're gonna have to come here, and there you have a new project, and select console application C++ project. Give it a name. It could be anything, Corona, like this. Then click OK. Then it's gonna ask you to save it somewhere. Then you're gonna do that. Then once you did, you're gonna have this auto-generated code over here, which looks the same. Which is gonna look like this. So it's nothing we need. It's a program we need to know how to write code from scratch. So that's basically it. That's what I wanted to show you. So there are other stuff which you're gonna have to explore by yourself over here. So now we are set for developing in C++. So that will be all in this video. Thank you.